In today's video, I'll show you how to change voice tone in ElevenLabs step by step. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech dashboard. Select the voice you want to use. Next, choose the 11v3 model. Now enter your text. To change voice tone, adjust how you write the text to match the tone you want. For example, formal tone. We would like to inform you about the update. Friendly tone. Hey, just wanted to update you real quick. Serious tone. This situation requires immediate attention. Next, open the voice settings. Adjust stability. Higher stability equals more consistent, neutral tone. Lower stability equals more expressive and dynamic tone.
To update you real
if available, adjust style exaggeration.
This situation requires
Lower equals calm
attention.
and controlled tone. Higher equals more dramatic and expressive tone. Now click Generate. Listen to the output. If the tone is not correct, change the wording, adjust punctuation, or fine-tune the sliders and generate again. Repeat until the voice tone matches your desired style. And that's it. You've successfully changed voice tone in ElevenLabs. And that's how you change voice tone in ElevenLabs.